enjoyable process during car restoration, not only their main purpose but also good results. Also will be interested in the process of restoration. And thing is, if this process enjoyable, this process will be more faster and you see good results.
Patrick's Garage. Grab your snack, welcome back.
And during car restorations, you realize that car will be more valuable for you because this restoration was done by your own hands, not any mechanics will messing with your car to repair it. But you by own hands repair the car, you disassembling the parts, you washing them, you see what inside wrong, what you need to replace, you want to assembling them in proper condition, they should be in proper order. You put them into the car back again, and in this restoration process, you realize how valuable your car.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos.
And you realize that your car, this is your friend, and you suspect that your car will, if you take care of your car, this car can outlast a lot of modern cars. If this car, 50 years old car, like in my cars, in my car's old engine in and a lot of parts was done in 60s, and I think this is reliable cars and they outlast a lot of modern cars which are equipped with a lot of complex electronics. I can't think anything about this electronic. These electronic systems are really beyond of me. I want to admit this all the time of my process. When I'm driving car, I don't care. I don't want to messing with any electronic crap. Yes, I realize my mechanical ignition, very simple things, and all these relays, all these parts, wires, bulbs, I can check, I can replace, but I don't want to mess with all this modern electronic crap. Yes, all the time, I'm always gladly admit that these electronic in modern cars really opaque. We can't realize what wrong without any electric fancy stuff machine for diagnosis process. We can't realize what wrong. This electronic are really opaque even for mechanic without special tools to diagnosing process in the cars. What say about average guy without this fancy equipment? You need to go to mechanic to check your car. Something go wrong with this car. So the older cars they're better and then process enjoyable. You get good results only when process enjoyable. I can't get enjoyable process with car which annoying me with their electronic crap. You know, I'm frustrated with this electronic crap. We realize that this process with repair car for us will be enjoyable, but what about new cars? They with better gas mileage, they new design cars, but why we continue to messing with old cars and we get enjoyable process? We enjoy. Wow, wow. With work, with our working process with our cars. Why and what about money? You know, yes, you save money, but not in gas mileage because you don't want to buy a new car. You can't imagine how a lot of gas you can buy for this price, a lot of thousands of dollars you pay for car, maybe 45, 50,000. It's really outrageous for me, 50 grand to pay for car. Will be better to repair car and you save money. You can't imagine how a lot of gasoline you can buy for this car, which you're gonna pay for new car. And you on the repair, if you enjoy the repair, you save money with old car all the time. But what about looking spare parts? You can't find parts for your old car. You can find them now in all our planet. Maybe old guy somewhere in a garage storing these parts in his boxes. Probably online on eBay you can find a lot of offers with spare parts and a lot of car parts stores you find online for classic cars. But more than this will be enjoyable to find spare parts. Probably anybody want to find mushrooms in the forest, berries in the forest, but we want to find spare parts online on the internet. We're googling what we can find. This enjoyable process during car restoration, unlimited. You can repair a car, you're messing with your car, you can build in any new things if you want. This is enjoyable, really enjoyable process. Endless process of enjoy with old car. You need to have working place to working with car to get enjoy during the process. But since you get enjoy, you get good results from your car restoration. Probably you want to go to grocery, you want to go anywhere where you want to go to lake, to swimming, where you want to go on your car. Yes, this is time, enjoyable time which you're ready to spend for your car. You're searching spare parts, you find what's wrong, all these malfunctions, and a lot of parts which will be wrong condition. You can find all these parts by own hands. You see, this is wrong, I want to replace this. And more than this, you can share this your enjoyable process with your relatives. So I think they probably gladly can help you if you ask them, and you share your joy with your friends. Nothing wrong. So you can do everything what in your power to continue driving, to continue repair your old cars. Yes, with modern cars, a lot of guys just used to modern crap. They can't imagine what will be with electrical power steering. How car can without this crap? Or braking electrical booster, or was a vacuum booster in olden days, even without this any boosters. Old cars also was. So a lot of complex stuff in modern cars will be better to enjoy simplicity in old cars from 60s. So you continue repair and you enjoy, you share with this, enjoy with your friends. So you gladly continue to repair a car and you achieve good results when you enjoy the process. In the process, you want to find valuable information for restoration to enjoy this process in full shape as it possible. You can ask any things from mechanics which you're familiar with, or you can buy books. You can order a lot of books available today online. You can find them. It's more better than decades ago. Now a lot of resources of information online, even about really rarity cars. Like with spare parts, in olden days you can buy spare parts only in a reputable place, but now You can buy spare parts online also will be better from a reputable place. You don't want to buy Chinese fake. And this enjoyable process will be really unlimited because old cars have unlimited longevity. Even your car has unlimited longevity, I'm sure, if this is car from 60s. Just for example, old Volvos, yes, really dependable cars. I'm really impressed by their quality and how they build. And enjoyable process, not only enjoyable. This is really healthy working with brain and working with hands at the same time. This is really healthy, I think. Probably even for old guys, this is process really healthy, not only enjoyable. Not only enjoyable, really important. Also important that you not go to clowns. A lot of clowns, a lot of mechanics, not so qualified mechanics and auto parts dealer stations. Yes, from independent mechanics you can find good mechanics. The thing is that really hard to find a source of enjoyment. I mean old cars. Hardly to find guys which want to sell you their cars. They know about price. This is price more higher than years ago because this is really classic cars. Everybody realize that modern cars really are rolling piles of electronic crap. This is rolling piles, rusty buckets, still not so dependable, not coated with this same primer, this quality like was done in 60s.